Okay, so part 2 of the video, we are going to create a instance. We're going to create an instance for our backend. Some students, they ask me, well, why do I have two hosts? Why do I host our middleware in DigitalOcean and our backend with AWS? And the reason is because AWS is more powerful. There's a lot of things that are already set up with AWS that we can do much easier. However, it does cost more money to host with AWS, and that is why we chose DigitalOcean for middleware, which we don't require a lot of the bells and whistles. But with the backend, yeah, we do need them, and that's why we're hosting with AWS. So to create the instance, you're gonna go to Surface and choose EC2. Okay, so this is just a test account. That's why I don't have an instance here. This is not the true key message project account. So to create the instance, click Launch Instances. Choose Ubuntu Server 20.04. Leave it at this free instance for now. Now you can go into all the different configuration and change it, but the easiest way is just to click on Review and Launch, and just launch it, and then afterwards, if you need to make any changes, then you can change it. But let me just double check everything, make sure everything is okay. Okay, so everything's okay. Click on Launch. Yeah, so we either have to use a existing SSH key, or we create a new one. So I'm just going to create a new one. Make sure you download the key pair and then launch instance. Okay, so the instance already launched and it's running. And it is important for you to have the key, so just make sure. Okay. Okay, so make sure you have this because you're going to need this to log in. And that's it. That's how you launch a AWS instance.